Okay, now that we have learned the basic concepts of the Pythagorean theorem, what we're going to do is we're going to take the video I had you watch for homework last night and put it towards a little bit of math. So the video you watched last night was in 2005, the Broncos versus the Patriots NFL football game. So what we're going to look at is the play from Bailey and Watson when Bailey intercepted the ball, went all the way down the field and almost made it to the end zone, but at the same time Watson was coming after him and didn't even know it, and he tackled him 1 yard off from the end zone to score a touchdown, causing the Patriots to lose. So what we're going to look at is the distance of how long Watson actually had to travel to get to Bailey to stop him. So if we look at this triangle we have, we realize that if we drew a line right here, that this is not actually a right angle. We don't need a right angle because remember that the Pythagorean theorem we need plenty of things. We need a right angle, we have two legs, and then C is our hypotenuse. Remember, our hypotenuse is directly across from the degree of the 90-degree angle. So since we cannot do it here, the best way to still judge this distance is to go all the way down and draw a triangle based on the pi line and where they interact with one each other. So because of this, we need to create a 90-degree angle, and we know that because Watson is 1 yard off of the 10 and the tackle is 1 yard off of the end zone, this is 90 yards. Okay, now that we know the 90 yards, what we need to figure out is how much this is. So we know that it tells you on the paper that from one side of the end zone to the other side of the field is 54 yards. But that's not how long this whole tackle is. So what we need to do is look at the fact that there's 3 sections right here. We can divide 54 by 3, and we get 18. So from that, we can take the 3 sections, there's 2 and a half. So 18 plus 18 plus 9 is 45, okay? This is 45 yards. Okay, so with this, we can write down this length. And we have the 2 legs of a triangle. So with this, we can take 45 squared plus 90 squared equals c squared, because that's our unknown still. So if we look at that, we know that 45 squared is 2,025 plus 90 squared is 8,100, still equals c squared. If we add these two together, we get 10,125 equals c squared. So we're not done, correct? Because this is still c squared. So what we need to do is take the square root of both sides, and then we're going to find c. So the answer to this is 106.23. So what we're going to do, so because of this, we're just going to round that c equals 106 yards. Remember, we have to label everything in a unit, and our unit right now is yards.